Oh, sorry. Hey guys, it's Miss Vignon from College Leaps, and I'm here to talk to you today about scholarship scams. And Chunk's face from the Goonies basically represents how we feel. Has this happened to you? Are you super worried about getting letters in the mail that are pretty much a scam? We all want to go to college and we all want to have that financial aid paid for, but there are scams out there that you really have to watch out for. First, before I even get started on this little baby list, you need to know that there's a huge theme here. And it's if they ask for a fee, it's a scam. First scam that we want to talk about today is ghosting. We know ghosting in social life as when someone leaves a party without saying bye, or when you just don't hear from somebody from a long time. Say you sent them a text and they didn't respond. Sometimes I do that. Sorry, friends. So ghosting is when they're going to send you a letter and they're going to say, hey, friend, hey, student, we're like a legitimate company. Pay us a fee. And if you pay us a fee, we're going to put you in a pot for a scholarship. And then you never hear from them again. And you assume, oh, I guess I didn't win the scholarship. No, friends, you got ghosted. Ding, they took your money and they ran, friends. So don't be ghosted. The second one is what we call to pay up front. They say, give us $50 now and we will totally cover your college costs. Did they ask for a fee? It's a scam. Number three is the low interest loan. The low interest loan says that they will give you a low interest loan if you pay a fee. Okay? So we know that that's another one that we're not going to do. People, the fee is the problem. Number four is the one my students typically get and they're super excited about and their parents are super excited about. And this scholarship scam is dirty. Did you hear me? D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Okay? This scholarship scam says, congratulations, you won a prize. Did they really win a prize? My students will come in and they'll be like, look, Miss Vignon, I won a prize. All I have to do is, what? You know it by now. Pay a fee and they will send me the scholarship money. This one's I think it's just downright dirty. Just dirty. You may be wondering what these letters look like. And as you can see here, we have the American Association for Smart Students, posted June 2nd, 2020. Now I just made this up 2 minutes ago. Dear smart student, we're so proud of you. Yada, yada, yada. High ACT scores. Yada, yada, yada. You're really smart. Yada, yada, yada. Interview. Very unique. Oh, there it is. Pay a small fee. Please fill out the data below and your credit card number online, and sincerely, scammer. That's what these look like. Obviously, this is just a general letter, but that's what we're looking at here. That's basically what these letters are going to say. Is the sales tactic. Number five. Okay, number 5 is about sales. So basically, they're going to give you a sales pitch, and they're going to say, come to our free seminar. Just come to our seminar about financial aid. And I do want to make it clear that sometimes financial aid seminars are super helpful. But a lot of times they are kind of like multi-level marketing. Come to a meeting where I will give you this. And then they'll try to get you to pay money to be part of some society that will then interview you or just give you free money. And then what are they going to do? They're going to ask you for a fee and they're going to ghost you. And the cycle continues back around to number 1. So friends, if you're being asked for a fee or you want a prize that you've never heard of before and it costs money, if they're offering you a low interest loan at a fee, all of these things are not good. They're scholarship scams. Feel free to reach out to College Leaps, and we are going to help you with those scholarship scams. And we're also going to help you find like real legitimate scholarships. Okay. Some of these scholarships that you can look for are, you can pay for that. If you want, there's some apps out there, or you can go to FastWeb, which is a really great scholarship website. Raise.me, Tallow is really great. And guys, the best place to find scholarship is on your state and local websites and your colleges that you're going to go to. Okay, they're not going to have scams on them. So once again, friends, let's remember the lesson we learned here today. A fee is not a scholarship. You will be ghosted, and you did not win any prize, although you are lovely and we do love you. That's all we got today with Miss V, and see y'all soon.